In fact, I don't understand. I don't understand. Eh? I beg. I go see the shut down for here. I beg. Area E for First Stack Police Station. Last Wednesday, this bros don complain. Bye bye Friday. He say una carry e generator. Area E for inside First Stack. I beg. Now God Almighty. Now we take the beg una. He say he go come there today. If I not be say he say I say make he come there today. Make he call DPO. I will call am tomorrow to find out whether they give am the generator or they not give am. Whether they give am the gen or they not give am the gen. In fact, make I see whether our able madam go pick. Make I see. Let me see. I don't understand why they go make her call this our madam the other time when he follow us. Ma call this our madam first. I pray me the phone, may ring, may she pick. If not pick, the thing go pay me. Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, madam, morning to you. How was the night now? Sorry, say I wake you up this morning, not vessel. My name is Ratata from Wazobia FM.
Ratata from which country?
You say from which country?
Nigerian.
I'm in Nigeria, mama.
Which part of Nigeria are you calling
From your same village.
Which part of Nigeria are you calling from?
We come from the same state, mama.
Ratata, you're not a good person.
I beg we.
Abandon me in Lagos.
I decrease I go abandon you. We dey your I beg.
Make you give me the she will make I chop you.
No verse, mama. I beg. No verse. That is what I must give you. We dey your now. I'm apologizing live on on national radio.
Okay.
I beg, no verse. I beg you go try raise your voice more. You get what I want to ask you. After now, I go see call you, make I give you that is here. I beg.
Okay.
I beg, our people they complain seriously of police matter. I beg. One of our fans just called now. He say he dey among the area first attack down. He say in fact last week Wednesday he say some police men from area E Festa police station they come where he forget shop as a barber. They come read boys. He say they carry am join them. They carry a generator. They carry his friends and neighbors around them. When they reach there, let me say they be thief. They cost them they pay 30,000 naira to bathe themselves.
For waiting now.
Okay, he said they pay the money. He said about 5 of them. Thank God say you shot. Ladies and gentlemen, I dey speak with one madam, one correct madam. In fact, she go introduce herself by herself. You know understand? I bet madam, if you don't mind, before we go ahead, if you introduce yourself, I go happy.
Good morning, Nigeria. German Norma is my name, SP.
Okay.
OC Complaint Response Unit, 4 Headquarters, Abuja, Lagos.
Una here, OC Officer in Charge Complaint Response Unit for Force Headquarters. They get annex for this Lagos. Okay, yes. Now he said they don't pay the 30,000 naira since last week Wednesday. He said generator they not carry giver in our city today.
What offense were they charged for that they are paying?
He said they just catch them. Thank God say I collect his number. He said they just call raid the area, pack them, join body carry go. He dey in shop as a barber, even in neighbors. Because when you call this morning, he even give in neighbor phone. His neighbor follow us talk to. They could pay the 30K. 5 of them pay that money. You can imagine.
That is wrong. Why didn't they call our number? Well, I gave your office number.
They announce that number almost every time. I go announce them again now. Now I say okay, make I first call you first. Make the first hear your voice first. So now, madam, I don't know. I got to say okay, today make he still go to the station. Make he say he wants see DPO. Make he tell DPO say see wetin dey happen. Say he won't collect gen. Then make he let us know. Say tomorrow I go call him to find out how far whether they give her the gen or not. Since last week, Wednesday, over a week now, man.
Let him call our office number this morning.
Okay.
Let him call my office number this morning. It's wrong.
Okay.
What is the 30,000 naira for? Why collecting money from people randomly like that? What is it?
Okay.
It is wrong.
Okay.
It's wrong.
So I go call you now office number live on air now and still send that to her. Say make you call the office number, make you complete the complaint.
It's okay.
Okay. I beg if you don't mind, in 2 minutes, tell them what will be the purpose of your office, man.
Okay. The purpose of IGP Complaint Response Unit is to receive complaints from public about police misconduct, and we treat it immediately and we resolve it. We receive and treat and resolve matters concerning police misconduct, extortion, brutality, illegal arrest, anything that is against human rights that the police does is what our office does.
Okay.
That is what we handle.
Okay.
We say no to impunity of any time.
Okay.
If the police handle your case at any level, no matter where, and you feel it was not well handled, you report to us. They stop you on the road, they start asking you for papers, they check you up, and at the end of the day, they ask you for money. You let us know.
Okay.
We also make sure that you are bailed in the station without money, because bail is free. We still stand on it.
I bet, madam, you go talk am again. Bail is what?
Bail is free.
The other time, our fan call us, say their landlord go report them for nothing. When they reach there, he said police kukuma detain them for a night, and they paid 50,000, 5 of them also, to bail themselves.
Offense?
Eh? I don't understand though. I want me to talk out with your man, say bail is free, but they're not the yes say bail is free, though.
Bail is free, please.
But why, but madam, I bet not vex. Why it be say for math bail is free, but in principle I be in practice bail is not free? Why it be like that?
In practice it is free. When you know your right and you call the right source, we practice it. We ensure and enforce it.
Because at the season now, only in principle, in practice now, everywhere when you go, they must collect money. Right?
Ratata.
Ma?
When the right things are done,
yes,
the wrong things go back.
Okay. Okay.
Do you understand?
I understand you now.
When you do the right things,
yes,
the wrong things go back. Sometimes I have come to realize that is. Let me cite an instance.
Yes, ma'am.
By on Thursday last week,
yes,
there was a serious complaint against Ikorodu command, area command.
Yes, ma'am.
And then somebody called me in the office that he's calling from, I think, around Ikorodu, all those areas, Abuwa or so. So I told him he's lucky. I am going to Ikorodu.
Okay.
So when I get to Ikorodu, I don't know Ikorodu well. I will call him to know where he is.
Yes.
Can you believe that man was not patient enough for my arrival?
Okay.
The owner of the bike he's riding,
yes,
went with him.
Yes.
They paid 10,000 naira to carry their bike for no offense. He was not caught on the highway. He was not caught on any offense. He did not do anything.
Yes.
So I came to realize that at times it is the civilians
that
hurry to give them that money for no. If you know you have committed offense, you go in for the offense you've committed. That is the truth.
Okay.
You'll be charged to court.
Yeah.
But because they are afraid to go to that court, they are the ones that are luring the police, begging them to collect money and let them go.
Okay. Okay.
Do you understand what I'm saying? So that's why I say when you do the right thing, the wrong things will go back. So
from your observation, now the people, now the civilians, now they initiate the move first. They first
out of fear.
Okay.
Sometimes I'll tell them, don't be afraid.
Yeah.
Whatever they say you should do, as long as what you have told me is true, you've not done anything.
Yeah.
Stay there.
Okay.
Stand on your right.
Okay.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Because sometimes you might call, your call might not go through.
Yes.
Network disturbances and all that.
Of course.
You understand?
Yeah.
The person might not pick your call. Maybe the person is busy at that time or something, or even for fear.
Yeah.
But what I know is that eventually I'll reach the person. And I'll make sure I get justice and you don't pay that money and you don't get extorted.
Okay.
But our people are too quick to let go of their money. They part with that money as if it is not hard earned.
Okay, I beg, I make ask you, is it wrong for a civilian to ask a policeman to identify himself?
It's not wrong.
Sure.
But not rudely.
Do
you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Like these people, those of them that are always in mufti, carrying guns, standing on the road, and putting on one stupid looking face cap.
Okay.
When they stop you, you politely ask, please, may I know who you are and where you're coming from?
If they're not called green, uncle,
look for a way to identify them. At least look at the face well, and you can identify the face.
Okay.
Name no day. Yes, if I look your face, Ratata, not the once I see you, I recognize your face.
Okay, yes, that's true, sir.
try and identify the face. Hold on to something that will help you identify the face.
Yeah.